It's a 2014 Honda Civic sedan. It's efficient and fun. It's practical and fun. The Civic is perfectly suited for your life and fun. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, power windows, manual telescoping steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend adds the hard plastic and cheap-looking rice paper dashboard is gone in favor of a deeper grain material that resembles leather. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.